Congress suffered a loss due to involvement of Arvind Kejriwal in scam. Big word coming in from Congress' side. In fact, this is the word that Congress leader Abhishek Dutt has said. He said that Congress lost the 2024 Lok Sabha elections due to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's alleged involvement in the Liquor Gate scam. He in fact further said, and I'm going to quote him here, that had the Congress contested the Lok Sabha polls without an alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party in the national capital, we would have won seats in Delhi like elsewhere in the country. Let's listen into what Abhishek Dutt exactly said.
हम तो लगातार जिस दिन से एक्साइज स्कैम मैं खुशी से कह सकता हूँ हमने खुद ने एक्सपोज करा था दिल्ली में, तब से लेके लगातार हमने उस समय के शासन से यही बात रखी थी कि एक्साइज स्कैम में पूरी जांच होनी चाहिए। दुख इस बात का है कि लगभग एफआईआर के 18 महीने तक भारतीय जनता पार्टी के शासित ईडी सीबीआई ने कभी भी इस पर कोई जांच नहीं करी। मात्र चुनाव से एक महीने पहले उन्होंने केजरीवाल जी को अरेस्ट करा, और केवल केजरीवाल जी को नहीं, हेमंत सोरेन जी को भी अरेस्ट करा, जिसको हमेशा हमने कहा है कि ये गलत है। 18 महीने तक आप कुछ करते नहीं और चुनाव से एक महीना पहले आप किसी चुने हुए मुख्यमंत्री को अरेस्ट करते हो, ये गलत है। इस तरीके से नहीं होना चाहिए।
We have CNN News 18's Sharina Elizabeth joining us on the phone line. Sharina, very good morning to you. Aam Aadmi Party as well as Congress have already parted their ways in terms of contesting the Delhi elections at this point of time. But this statement coming in from Abhishek Dutt is somewhat solidifying the speculations of not all being well between the two parties.
Well, now that the elections are over, clearly the cracks between the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party are out in the open. Now, they have already announced officially that both Aam Aadmi Party and Congress will not be contesting, will not have any alliance when it comes to the Delhi Assembly elections. And that is why we are seeing a blame game between the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party has started, with Delhi Congress leader Abhishek Dutt now actually blaming the Aam Aadmi Party for their performance in Delhi, where they have not even able to get even one seat out of the 7 seats in Lok Sabha elections. And now they have been saying that if Abhishek Dutt says that if we had not contested the elections with them, that Congress seats would have increased in this election, the vote share would have increased. So now the blame, Congress party is blaming for the kind of defeat that they faced in the national capital to the Aam Aadmi Party.
Right, Shireen. Thank you so much for putting all that into perspective for our viewers. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on that jink that has now emerged between the Congress as well as Aam Aadmi Party. Right now, shifting focus.